videos are not getting the attention and the views that you want it to get because you're actually doing some things wrongly. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that you are doing wrongly that you should change, that is making your videos not to get the attention or the views that it desires or that you desire for it to get. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In this channel, I talk about how you can grow on YouTube, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels, and out of those 5 YouTube channels, I've actually monetized 3, and because of that, I've actually experienced some things, or I've done some things that has actually helped my YouTube channel to grow up to the point of monetization. And that is why I've come up with this YouTube channel, to actually teach you some of these things that you can know for free, so that you can be able to also monetize your YouTube channel if this is what you want to do. So if you want to get more content about how to grow on YouTube, or if you want to get tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is what we do here. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to check the description box for my link to loads of other videos that are going to definitely help you to grow your YouTube channel. So quickly, let's dive straight into the video. There are some things that you are actually doing that is making your YouTube channel not to grow, and I have a list of them right here in my notes, which I'm going to start talking about immediately. So number 1 right here is your audience preference. Now, when it comes to your audience preference, it simply means the kind of videos that your audience want to see on your channel, the kind of videos that your audience love to watch. So there are some times that you will upload a particular kind of videos, it will really get the views, and there are some times you will upload another part of video or another kind of videos and they will not get the views. So your audience preference is another reason why your views are not coming out the way it's supposed to come, or that is why you are not getting the kind of views that you should get. So one thing you want to consider when producing a video or when trying to create a video here on the YouTube space is to look at what your audience prefer. Go back to your videos. How you are going to know what your audience prefer to watch is to go back to your videos and see the videos that have done well over the time that you have been uploading, right? And if you have not maybe uploaded a video, probably you are just starting on the YouTube space and you've not really uploaded a video, or maybe any of your videos that you've uploaded has not really gotten the views that you want, then the next thing you are supposed to do is to go to somebody that is already doing well in the particular niche that you are actually in, and then see the videos that are doing well. Those are the kind of videos that their audience, or the potential audience that is supposed to also be your audience because you are in the same niche, are looking at getting to watch or are looking forward to watch. So when you create videos around those kind of topics, definitely your audience are going to come and they are going to watch those videos. So audience preferences when it comes to uploading videos on YouTube is something that you should consider, so that you'll be able to get the views by the time you upload your videos here on YouTube, because of course you don't want to put up a video that nobody is going to watch. So consider your audience first, depending on the kind of videos that you create or whatever niche that you are. Next thing you want to also consider, or the next thing you want to check when it comes to producing videos or creating content here on YouTube, is your niche. There are some niches that automatically don't have a lot of audience. There are some niches that don't really have a wide range of audience. So if you create videos around those kind of niches, automatically you may not get views, or you may be getting or recording low views. I used to have one channel. As at the moment, anytime I create videos around certain things that I talk about in that channel, I used to record low views, and that is not because my videos are not good. That is not because I'm not giving out value. That is not because I am not doing well or editing well or whatever in that channel. It is because that particular niche that I am in that channel has already gotten low audience for it. It's already having low audience for it. So when you are in a niche that has low audience rates, then your videos will tend to not make a lot of views. So when you are choosing a niche, or when you are trying to be in a niche, make sure to consider the audience factor. Look at a niche that already has audience, potential audience, before you delve right into it. While also looking at niches that already have potential audience, you want to also make sure that you have an idea, you have value, you have the knowledge when it comes to that particular niche, so that when you come up here to create content, you'll be creating value that people are going to want to stick around to get for more consecutive times, right? Because of course, if you consider the audience and you see that there are a lot of audience in that niche, but you don't have value to give, definitely you will still not make or get the views that you want. So I hope that makes sense, you guys. The third one I'm going to be talking about is uploading your videos directly and making it go public directly. right? This is another thing that most people or most YouTubers do here that is a very big mistake when it comes to getting the views, right? If you are uploading your videos on YouTube, make sure that you put it on either unlisted or make sure that you put it on private first of all before the video completely uploads on YouTube. Now, why do you have to do this? You have to do this so that the algorithm is going to understand who this video is for, the kind of audience that wants this video, and the kind of audience that the algorithm is supposed to push these videos to. Now, number two is going to give you time to actually fill in the part where you are supposed to fill in the correct information. It's also going to help the algorithm to push that video to the right audience. What do I mean by that? Number one is going to give you time to create a beautiful topic or a beautiful title that is going to cause attraction. It's also going to give you time to really write a very good description that is also going to cause attraction for your videos. It's also going to give you time to put in your tags, to put in your category, to put in a very good thumbnail and all of that. You don't want the situation where your video is already up and running on the YouTube space and you've not added tags, you've not added description, you've not added a good thumbnail, you've not done every necessary thing that you are supposed to do. That way your video is going to slow down because the algorithm yet has not understood what your video is talking about and who your videos are for. Now, when you put all of these things in place first before you go ahead and publish your video, the algorithm has now understand from your description, from the title of your video, from the tags that you use in the video, the algorithm has now understood who this video is for, and then they will push it to the right audience. Now, when they push it to the right audience, definitely you are going to start seeing views in this video. So make sure that you don't go public once you are uploading your video. Try to put your video on unlisted or in private before you go ahead to when you are uploading your videos, and put every other necessary thing that you're supposed to put before you go ahead and publish your videos, right? That is another one for me, which is number three. Number four is going to be your thumbnail and your title. I know you've heard this a lot, but trust me, it is one of the magic that works when it comes to getting views here on the YouTube space. You want to make sure that your thumbnail and your title are very, very catchy. They are very, very intentional. They are very, very mind-blowing. They have a lot of potential to do well, else your videos are not going to get the attention that it needs. If your video, even if no matter how valuable it is, if it does not have the right topic, the right title to actually have the attention of the intending viewer, then your videos are not going to get the views that you want it to get. Because of course you might have value, but people need to know that this video has value, and one of the ways for them to know is the thumbnail that you use and the title that you're actually putting out there. So to be able to get the correct title, go ahead and check out the videos that are already related or that have been done already on the YouTube space, and videos that are relating to that particular video, and see the kind of thumbnail and title that is actually getting the attention that you want and is already recording views for that particular video. You can copy that and use for your own particular video. It is going to help you to get the attention and the attraction that you want your videos to get here on YouTube. The last one I'm going to be talking about is going to be the correct setting. You are not using the correct settings in your YouTube channel. That is the more reason why your videos are not getting the views. If you set up your YouTube channel, after creating your YouTube channel, you want to make sure that you are putting up your channel in the way that you are setting up your channel in the way that it is grabbing the attention of your potential audience. Now, what do I mean by this? There are some settings that you should turn on. There are some settings that you should turn off when you have a YouTube channel. You want to make sure of that. Whether you are uploading your videos or a video in your YouTube channel, there are settings that you should turn off and turn on. Whether you are still trying to set up your YouTube channel, there are some settings that are in your YouTube channels that you should turn on or turn off. It is going to help your videos to do well whenever you upload your video. I already made a video about the kind of settings that you should turn on and the kind of settings that you should turn off when it comes to getting the attention or when it comes to creating your YouTube channel, so that your videos can do better whenever you upload your videos. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box. Also, you want to make sure that you are adding end screen. Those are also part of the settings that you are supposed to turn on or turn off in your YouTube channel. You want to make sure that you're adding end screen. This is something that is going to help your audience to go to the next video or to your next video to watch. This is also you keeping your audience watching your videos for longer period, which is something that the YouTube algorithm wants, or which is something that YouTube generally wants for their audiences. So I hope these videos have been able to help you. If you want more tips on how to grow here on YouTube, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because on this channel we talk about how you can grow on YouTube and make good amount of money. Okay, if that is something that you love, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not also forget to like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.